Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. Highlights of the daily weather briefing are that cold wave and cold day conditions prevailing over some parts of northwest India and over Madhya Pradesh and adjoining areas are very likely to abate from tomorrow. Although it has reduced today itself, and it will further reduce tomorrow and would abate from this entire region. And as we have been predicting that a wet spell is impending over northwest, east and northeast India during the period of 2nd to 4th of February. If we look into synoptic features, then we have a cyclonic circulation over Gulf of Mannar in middle tropospheric levels, and there is a feeble western disturbance over along roughly along 57 degree of longitude to the north of 34 degree of latitude. If you look into minimum and maximum temperatures, then these temperatures are running below normal by 4 to 6 degrees centigrade over Madhya Pradesh and adjoining areas of Vidarbha and Marathwada, and as a result of these conditions, the cold day conditions have been observed over with severe cold day conditions over Vidarbha and over Madhya Pradesh and East Uttar Pradesh. Also, Bihar and Odisha have also reported cold wave conditions, and Bihar has reported cold day conditions as well. So these cold wave and cold day conditions would only continue for next 24 hours over East Rajasthan, over West UP, and over Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand areas. But over MP, it would prevail tomorrow as well on 30th of January, and with of course with lesser severity over MP and East UP and Bihar, and cold wave condition over Odisha as well. And from tomorrow onwards, so from 31st January onwards, as we saw in the highlight, that it would tomorrow it would almost abate, and although some remnant would remain there, and from 31st of January it would abate completely. Now, if we come over to the impending weather situation, as we have been predicting that there is a wet spell approaching Western Himalayan region, Northwest India, East India, Northeast India during the period of 2nd February to 5th of February. As we can see here in this rainfall table for next 5 days, that on 2nd of February, Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad is going to experience fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall, and Himachal Pradesh scattered light to moderate rainfall, and over Haryana, Punjab, and Uttarakhand it is going to be isolated light rainfall. And on 3rd of February, this rainfall intensity and distribution would increase, and we are likely to receive over this entire area of Western Himalayan region and the plains of Northwest India fairly widespread rainfall, with likelihood of isolated heavy rainfall snowfall over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, and Himachal Pradesh at isolated places. And this weather is going to become with the having fairly widespread to widespread distribution, because lower level easterlies from the south, from the Bay of Bengal, are likely to interact with the south westerlies associated with the approaching western disturbance in mid tropospheric levels, and a lower level trough will form in easterlies, and this trough would move eastwards, and again there would be during 3rd to 4th of February, there would be widespread rainfall, light to moderate rainfall over East UP, Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal, northern Odisha, northern Chhattisgarh, and northeast MP. And also on 4th and 5th of February, there will be widespread light to moderate rainfall activity over northeast India as well. And there would be probability of isolated hailstorm activity over East India, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, northern parts of Odisha, and northern Chhattisgarh as well on 4th of February. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll again meet with daily weather briefing for weather warning for next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.